Hi students, welcome to my channel. My name is Cristina, and in today's video, we're going to talk all about the future simple. We're going to look at when to use the future simple, how to conjugate it, and how to form the negative and question form. Why don't we begin? Okay, so when do we use the future simple? Well, always when we talk about a confirmed future action, especially if it's a confirmed future action at a specific time. For example, Anna will visit her parents on Christmas. And here, the specific time would be on Christmas. This action of her visiting her parents is confirmed to happen on Christmas. So always an action that is confirmed to happen in the future. Another example could be, I will fit into that dress for New Year's Eve. So this is something that is confirmed. I know that it's going to happen because I've been working out and I've been doing everything that I can to fit into that dress. And the specific time would be New Year's Eve. So it's a confirmed future action at a specific time. Now, we also use the future simple when we want to express a promise or an offer. For example, if I say, I will send you the information when I get it. So this is a promise that I have made to you. I will send you the information when I get it. Another example could be, I will help you with your homework as soon as I get home. Another example could be, we will show you around the city. So now here we are offering you to show you around the city. And we can also use the future simple when we want to make a request or to refuse something. So if I say, for example, will you hold this for me? So here I am requesting your help. I'm requesting you to hold this for me. And if I want to refuse, I can say, I won't do it. I will not do it. I won't do it. And we can also use the future simple to express an immediate or spontaneous decision at the moment of speaking. For example, maybe someone offers you a coffee and you'll say, I'll have a coffee. This is a decision that I've made at this very moment of speaking. Or let's say the doorbell rings, ding dong, and you say, I'll get it. So again, it's a decision that I've made at this very moment, a spontaneous decision to answer the door. I'll get it. I will get it. We can also finally use the future simple to predict a future action, state, or event. For example, it will be a terrible movie because the lead actress is Kim Brown. So here I am predicting that it will be a terrible movie. It will be a terrible movie because the lead actress is Kim Brown. The year 2022 will be a better year. I hope it will be a better year. But again, here I am predicting that the year 2022 will be a better year. And as you can see, it is very easy to conjugate the future simple. You just take will plus the bare infinitive. And the bare infinitive is the infinitive of the verb without to. So will plus bare infinitive. For example, I will swim tomorrow. And you can also use a contraction and say, I'll swim tomorrow. You will swim tomorrow. You'll swim tomorrow. He or she or it will swim tomorrow. And you can use the contraction, he'll, she'll, it'll swim tomorrow. We will swim tomorrow. We'll swim tomorrow. They will swim tomorrow. They'll swim tomorrow. You will swim tomorrow. You'll swim tomorrow, etc. And to form the negative is simple. You just take the subject plus will plus not plus the bare infinitive of the verb. For example, I will not sing, you will not sing, he or she or it will not sing, etc. And don't forget that the contraction can also be used in these cases. For example, you can say I won't sing. Will not turns into won't. I won't sing, you won't sing, he won't sing, everyone won't sing, but it changes to won't. Will not, won't. And to make questions or short answers, you will just take will plus the subject plus the bare infinitive. For example, will you sing? Ah, yes you will, or no, he won't. Or will they sing? Yes, they will. No, they won't, etc. And finally, to make questions with question words, so questions that require information, it would be the same structure as yes or no questions, but now we would add the question word or WH word at the very beginning. So WH word or question word plus will plus the subject plus the bare infinitive. Where will I go? Who will you meet? Why will she leave late? Or why will he leave late? Or why will it leave late? What will we eat? What will you study? Where will they live? Etc. All right, students. So now let's practice what we've learned today. Can you give me an example using the future simple? Leave your example in the comments below. All right, students, we're done with today's lesson. As you can see, the future simple really is that simple. All you have to do is study and practice. Like they say, practice makes perfect. If you would like to see more videos like this, you can click on my playlist like here. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for future videos on the rest of the verbs. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye for now. Mwah!